Tired of project chaos and slow progress? Scrum is your simple framework to deliver amazing results fast. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly what you need to know based on my 20 years of Scrum field experiences. So you learn the best approach to transform your projects into products that customer will love, starting today. Did you know that understanding just 11 core components of Scrum can transform how your team works? Let's break down what makes Scrum tick. At its heart, Scrum isn't complicated. It's a framework built on 3 pillars that create a cycle of continuous improvement: transparency, inspection, and adaptation. Transparency means everyone can see what's happening. The team shares information openly about the work and the progress. Inspection allows the team to check their progress regularly and spot problems early. Adaptation means making changes when needed to improve results. These 3 pillars work together to help teams learn and get better with each sprint. Many teams say they use Scrum but skip parts they find challenging. This is often called Scrum but. We use Scrum but we skip the daily Scrum, or we use Scrum but we don't have sprint reviews. These teams miss out on the full benefits of the Scrum framework. For Scrum to work properly, all components need to be in place. Let's first look at the 3 essential roles in Scrum. The product owner represents the customer's voice and manages priorities. They are responsible for maximizing the value of the product and maintaining the product backlog. The product owner decides which features are most important and ensures the team works on the valuable items first. They adapt to changing needs by regularly refining the backlog. The Scrum Master serves as a coach and facilitator for the Scrum team. They help everyone understand and follow Scrum practices and values. The Scrum Master removes obstacles that block the team progress, whether they are organizational roadblocks or other distractions. They protect the team and help the organization embrace Scrum principles. The developers are the people who create the product. They organize themselves and take responsibility for turning the product backlog items into working features. Developers decide how to implement the most important task and create a plan for each sprint. They often work together through pair programming or mob programming to solve complex problems. These 3 roles interact through 5 Scrum events. The sprint itself is a time box period of not more than a month where actual work happens. Sprint planning kicks off each sprint with the team selecting work and creating a plan. The daily Scrum is a quick 15-minute synchronization meeting where team members coordinate their efforts for the next 24 hours. The sprint review happens at the end of the sprint, where the team demonstrates completed work to stakeholders. Finally, the sprint retrospective focuses on process improvement, helping the team get better with each cycle. The entire framework is supported by 3 artifacts that make work visible. The product backlog is a prioritized list of all requirements for the product, managed by the product owner. The sprint backlog contains the specific work items selected for the current sprint, created and owned by developers. The increment is the actual work product created during each sprint. It must be potentially shippable, meaning it's complete and usable. What makes Scrum powerful is how these components work together in a continuous flow. The product owner keeps the backlog updated with the most valuable items at the top. The team selects work during sprint planning and completes it within the sprint timeframe. At the end of the sprint, everyone reviews what was built and learns from the process to improve future work. This underlying PDCA cycle is crucial for your understanding of Scrum. Make sure you also watch this video. Each component serves a specific purpose in this flow. For example, the daily Scrum isn't a status meeting where people report to a manager. Instead, it's a planning session for the next 24 hours that helps the team stay aligned towards the sprint goal. Team members discuss what they did yesterday, what they will do today, and any obstacles they face. Understanding these 11 components, 3 roles, 5 events, and 3 artifacts give you the complete picture of how Scrum creates structure within complexity. This structure allows teams to deliver value consistently, even when requirements change or unexpected problems arise. The framework provides enough guidance to keep everyone aligned while allowing flexibility in how the work gets done. Now that we understand the parts, let's see how they come together to create a complete framework that delivers real results. Think of Scrum as a cycle that repeats with each sprint. The product owner works with stakeholders to understand needs and priorities. The team selects the most important work during sprint planning. Throughout the sprint, the team coordinates daily and the Scrum Master removes obstacles. At the end, the team shows what they have built, gathers feedback, and reflects on how to improve. This cycle creates a rhythm that helps teams maintain focus and deliver value regularly. Each sprint builds on the last one, with the team learning and adapting as they go. The clear roles and events ensure everyone knows what to expect and how to contribute. Scrum isn't a method, it's a mindset shift that helps teams tackle complex work. By breaking projects into manageable pieces with clear roles and regular checkpoints, even the most complicated problems become approachable. If you're just starting with Scrum, try implementing one component at a time. Begin with daily Scrums to improve team communication, then gradually add other elements as your comfort grows. Many teams find that starting small leads to more sustainable adoptions. Remember that each of the 11 components serves a specific purpose in creating the transparency, inspection, and adaptation cycle. The framework is intentionally simple but complete. Everything you need to deliver value consistently.